Hello, everybody. So, Mr. Connolly here. Just want to go through the instructions of what today's assignment that we are doing. So, essentially, we're talking about the different resources that the North and South had during the Civil War. What advantages did the North have? What disadvantages do they have? What advantages do the South have? What disadvantages do the South have? So, I'll go through these questions with you real quick. Number one is basically asking me what percent of the population of the United States during the Civil War lived in the North and in the South. It does give that to you in the reading right there. So if you just read through that real quickly, it's not a big one. You'll survive, I promise. You can find the answer there. And then what is the approximate proportion of Southern population to Northern populations? In other words, what is the ratio? So what you would do is you would do like a fraction, right? You would put the South population in the numerator, Northern population in the denominator, and then try to simplify that as much as you can. You would put blank dot colon blank, right? It's a ratio, a proportion. If you just want to type the ratio into Google to get a good, better visual, you may. I mean, I don't know why I'm giving you permission for that, but that's just what came out of my mouth at that time. All right. Of what resource did the North have more than 11-to-1 advantage over the South? So that is a ratio right there. So what you would do is you would scroll up. Here is resources. And which of these is almost an 11-to-1 advantage for the North there? In other words, what did the North have? Which resource did the North have available to them 11 times more than the South had? What would the overwhelming advantage to the bank deposit seem to indicate for the North? So basically you're kind of thinking, well, North has a lot of bank deposits. What does that mean? What is that going to help them with? If you have a lot of bank deposits, meaning you have a lot of money in the bank. Number 4, what is the advantage to the North in the substantial lead in railroad mileage? So we know the North has a lot more railroad than the South. What do you predict the North can get from all that railroad mileage? What do you think is going to help the North because they have a lot of railroad? Number 5, look at the pie graphs that deal with resources. Why is the North 9-to-1 productivity lead in the value of manufactured goods? No surprise. So let's look at the pie graph right here. Manufacturing goods, right? North has 86%, South has 14%. That's about a 9-to-1 ratio because that's almost 90%. You can round that to 90%. You can round that down to 10%, right? 9-to-1. So basically it's asking you, why is it no shock that the North has more manufacturing plants or factories? Why does the North have more factories than the South? Think about what the South economy is based on and what the North's economy is based on. Number 6, the population of the South includes slaves, which account for more than 1/3 of the South's total population. How did including slaves in the South population hide an even greater imbalance between North and South? So it's basically asking you, like, look, 33% of the South population is slaves. How does that create an imbalance for the South? How is that a disadvantage for the South? Think about how the slaves would react to the South fighting this war. I hope this helped, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know, and thank you.